Here with Mackenzie, and she is going on her first train ride.
Hi, camera.
You excited?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Now, we always look both ways, just like crossing a road when we cross train tracks, right? All right, look right, look left.
No train.
No trains. Okay, let's cross.
This thing cuts us back. I can't wait to go to the first.
Mackenzie. Walk up there.
This is New York train. Next stop will be Morristown. Morristown will be next.
This is going to be the best train ride ever. Choo choo, choo choo, choo. Thank you for taking me on the first train ride.
You're welcome.
Wow, it's no train. I see it now.
First train ride? I guess that's a yes. All right, well, watch the train leave, and then we'll go get some ice cream.
Choo choo, bye bye train. Choo choo, oh choo choo, all aboard. Train is next. Bye everyone. Bye everyone.
All right, go to the door. Not that one. Now we'll let everyone get off first. Now we can get on.
I'm gonna take the ride.
Yeah. You want to go up or down? All right, go up. All right.
What is this?
Oh, that's for luggage. But here, come on. Let's grab a seat. How about these right here?
No.
No? Which seats?
Let me see. Follow me.
All right, I'm following you.
And the back.
Okay.
Up there right here.
All right, careful. Wait till the train stops.
Bye. Bye.
It's your first train ride.
Aw. You have fun?
Yeah.
Good.
My son used to love train, and when I got this job, I ain't gonna care about train.
Yeah, yeah.
That's funny.
Wow.
Now hold on, okay?
Oh God.
And always look before you get off. Good girl. Bye.
Thank
Take
you.
care, okay? There's some. Put that floor up. It's over now. It's over.
Love you. You don't understand. So goodbye, everyone.
So we're reporting from Denville, and here I have Mackenzie, who just went on her first train ride. Mackenzie, would you like to describe your first train ride?
Yes.
How was it?
Good.
Was it scary?
No.
Was it fun?
Yes.
Was there ice cream?
Yes.
Did you pay for the tickets?
Yes.
What?
No.
I paid for them. But you had fun?
Yes.
Would you go on a train again?
Yes.
Awesome. Would you bring mommy?
Yes.
Would you get ice cream again?
Yes.
All right. Say goodbye, Mackenzie.